Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we will discuss about minikube. So yeah, let's go. See how to install minikube and how it works. So minikube, why we are installing? Because it's just a single cluster, like single node is present, and it's just for the local development and for our own practice. We can install minikube on Windows also, and we can start testing it out on how it works. Actually, we can start working on kubectl, so we'll get the idea of kubernetes. Whereas if you go for kubeadm, so it is more little bit advanced than that, because there is a we can create nodes on it. So then come then come managed, where we are on cloud like aks and jke. So it goes higher and higher, but for our own practice for kubernetes and for nodes and everything, for running the kubectl commands, we'll go for installing minikube on Windows for local development. So first of all, as you understand that for installing the minikube, Windows requirement is this, and also virtualization should be enabled, because you know very well that why Kubernetes and why these things are into the picture, for because of virtualization, for enabling, so that any application can run just by an image. So either you should have a virtualization enabled, that is Hyper-V, hypervisor, or VirtualBox, or if you have Docker desktop installed in your Windows, that is must. So I have used Docker Desktop. So first of all, you have in your minikube, if you want to install it, you can either do it by CMD or you can do it by PowerShell. You can directly give the you can use Choco install minikube, but you need that chocolatey should be installed in your Windows, and its path should be defined in environment variable. So once that is done, so path is defined for chocolatey over here in our environment variable. So once the chocolatey installed, you can directly install minikube using choco install minikube, or if you using scoop, then you can use scoop install minikube. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go to this link, and from there you can download this minikube latest one, and then place it in a directory on your path. Then um, after this, these are the steps to install the minikube. uh, what I did it using Choco install minikube, and because Docker desktop helps in the virtualization, so I got the minikube image over here in my Docker desktop. So I directly go and started from here. So once, let me go to, I'm using git bash for now. So if I will do minikube status, so it is saying host is running, but kubelet is stopped, everything is stopped, nothing is as yet working. So we need to minikube start driver. We have, if it's a Hyper-V, if you have installed Hyper-V, then you have to give Hyper-V in driver. If you have installed VirtualBox, then you have to give VirtualBox in driver. But I'm using Docker, that's why I have to give Docker. So it will take some time, let it happen. So it will use the image that is present in my Docker desktop. Yeah, you can directly pull the image and do it through Docker Desktop. So Docker Desktop, that is also one way. You can do it through Docker Desktop, or you can do it through the way that I have told, the commands through Chocolatey and through Scoop. So basically my minikube is started now. If I'll do minikube status again, So I should get everything as running. And also, you need to keep this in mind that um, kubectl is itself getting configured once minikube is getting started, so we don't have to do separately anything. So if we do kubectl get pods, so we can see that this is what I was trying. So you can see that there is this pod running, but if you have to define, in specific, if you have to get, so namespace, then see in this namespace these many pods are running. So accordingly you can try uh, with many things, that deploying or any image in any namespace, creating the namespace and then deploying the image or any service in that namespace and make it run as a pod. So that you can try. So minikube is one way you can easily try and practice the uh, kubectl and get the idea of kubernetes. We can try logs, getting the pod also, restart command, everything, copy, paste, influx system. Yeah, so pod will be not there. One second. Let me show. So kubectl logs and the pod name and the namespace. So it will help you to know get the logs of that particular pod. So this is one way, you can, many questions are asked related to kubectl commands also. So this is one of the best way to try deploying any application or any service, and then try to debug more, try more kubectl commands, so that you're able to get the idea and you're able to answer in your interview more. So that's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.